my name is Sylvia from Sylvia V's Creations. Now, considering I'm just starting out with all my cardstock again, so I thought I need to be able to organise things a little bit better so that I can find things a lot easier. And I thought, perfect video to make. So I went out today and I purchased a few things. Things like a stamping block, and I grabbed almost the largest one that they had. So what I'm going to do is quickly get that out of here because we're going to need that shortly. And you know what? I don't have patience. So I'm just going to cut it out. So I want to try and keep this video as short as possible for you. Okay, so we've got our little stamping block. Great. Because I've been keeping all my stamps in this container. Now you can imagine it being full and you're trying to find a particular one, so that wasn't going to work. So what I've done is I've also picked up my inks. This one here, which is great for watercolours, and unfortunately she didn't have the big Memento one in black, which is perfect for alcoholic inks. So anyway, not to worry. So what I'm going to do is quickly just open this. So we've got that ready to go. So what I thought of is, because of the fact that I cut all my stamps out and left the plastic there, I can't really use that to put it into a folder the way it is. So I actually went and bought some acetate sheets, which I've got them here, and I only grabbed 3 of them, which is fine because I can use the front and the back. Okay, so here they are. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I've sort of separated them already. I've got all my writing ones, all my animal ones, and like, you know, bird, actually bird cages shouldn't be over there. They should go in the miscellaneous one. I've got a miscellaneous one as well. Then I've got my animal ones, and I've got all my flower ones. Okay, so what I've done is I've grabbed just some printing paper, because what we're going to do is we're going to stamp them the way we're going to put them onto here, right? So we've got, and I've got inks already all over my fingers, beautiful, so I'm staining it, that's all right. So we're going to have one sheet for the front here and one sheet for the back, okay? So it basically ends up like this, and all your stamps, you're going to have some on this side and some on the other side, because what I'm going to do, so I've still got all these little folders. These were just cheap ones that I bought ages ago, and what I'm going to do is use these sleeves and put it in there, right? And by stamping it on paper, I can see nice and clear on each page what it is that's there, and then I can just go, oh yeah, this is the one that I need. So, and the thing is, I also have very limited space where I can put all my craft things, so I've had to try and find ways around it. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up our ink pad and I'm going to grab the first stamp. I'm going to try and pull it off. This is going to be fun because there's stick on there like super glue. You know, I mean stick on there like super glue. There, got the first one off, and we'll just stick it on there. Grab our ink pad, ink it up. Wipe that excess ink off, just there, like so. Get it nice and clean, keep it clean. So what I'm going to do is place it, stamp it, hold it for a second or two and let go, okay? So now that I've got that there, and I'm probably going to move things a little bit. Let me see how I can do this, because I'm actually working on the kitchen bench. Okay, we'll move them over. So now what I'm going to do is take my stamp off, and I'll stick this in exactly the same spot. Just like that, and I'll probably give that a quick wipe over as well, just to make sure there's no excess ink there. Okay, then we'll grab our next one, and we'll do the same thing with every single one of them. So what I'll do is I'll quickly stop the video for the minute, because this is going to take me quite some time, because as I say, they stick on here like super glue. And I've got to make sure I don't rip them as in damage them. Okay, so I've got all this done, and so much more organised. Love it. I will be labelling this at a later stage, not right now. So the next part I want to go into is, see, I like to buy these magazines like I've sort of started, but I don't want to have them floating around like this, because, you know, they end up getting damaged, whatnot. Now I'm trying to decide whether I use one of these folders as well. So let's just check to see if it'll work. Can I fit an entire magazine in here without any dramas? Beautiful. So there we go. We can sort this out as well. Now I'm going to do one for paper craft, because yeah, I was actually going to separate them, because I've got several different ones. Come on, get in there. And of course what I've done is, they're in order. You've got 126 and 128 in the paper craft. So that one's done. Now how many have I got? How many folders? 1, 2, 3. I need the other, need one for that lot. So 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, I can do it. So basically I'll have, because this one is crafts, so it's all kinds of things, whether it's sewing, etc. So I like to keep them separate. And the other one is a UK one, UK version of card making and paper craft. The other one is the Australian card making, so I want to keep those two separate. So we just Throw that in here. And like that. Beautiful. Those are sorted. Now, this one here, I want to use for all my cardstock, all my different papers and stuff at the moment, because as you can see I've just run out of folders, so I'm going to do it in a way where I'm sort of going, it doesn't matter, we can always sort it out at a later date. So what I want to do is, now I've got these pearlized cards. So I'm going to go and keep them separate. Okay, each colour separate. It makes life so much easier. So we'll do the pearlized first, because they're these specialty top cards. Now don't forget, to hit the like button down below, and if you like my videos, or you like me, yes, I know I'm still getting used to the idea of talking to a camera. Makes life a little bit challenging. I like to talk to people, not cameras, but that's okay. I've got to remember you're on the other end, so to speak. So, but yeah, I'm sure I'll get better in time. So I'm going to put this black one. This one actually folds out like that. So put this one in here. So, and now I have purchased some A4 cards, black as well as white. So I can actually create my own cards as well, and I should have just opened it from the other side. Anyway, don't mind me. I like being silly. And again, it's just a way for me to get to them nice and easy. I can write cardstock on this and not a problem. I'll find what I'm looking for. So, and I've got the black one as well, if I haven't already mentioned it. I've kind of got my head full at the moment, so. Okay, then, now that we've done that, put that over there. I'm going to move my scrap bits to there. Okay. So, that's right. So I can move these, are just single-sided papers. Stock card. One's actually thinner than the other, I think. Let me see. Yeah, the A4 ones are thinner than the custom size one, so it's fine. It's good to know. So we'll just slide that one in here. Then we have other paper. This one is two-sided, okay? So, there was a lot more than that originally. I remember that. Why have I got that one there? What's going on? Oh, yeah. There. Okay. So apparently, this one should have gone in there. I am missing one. That's alright. Who knows where I've put it? I'm not going to worry about it. But yeah, these ones are double-sided, so you can use either side. So I'm going to put them separately. And they actually come out of one of the magazines, so it should be easy enough to get to. And here's another one that's double-sided, but it's just paper, and you also have cutouts. So what I'm going to do is I'll put this one in the back of this. And then, lucky last, we're at the end. Lucky last, I can put these. These are, again, specialty things, so for card making. I can put them in here. Now all I've got left to do is label them, and this one's actually sticking out a bit, which is fine. Now all I have to do is label them, but they'll fit neatly into my drawer, which makes me feel a hell of a lot more organised. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it, and also don't forget to hit the subscription button and the notification bell so that you get notified when I put a new video up. Now next week I'm actually going to do a card. I decided I'm just going to do a card for next week, and then we'll get back into doing paintings and that. So, okay, so until next week, I'll catch you soon. Almost forgot. Here's my toolbox that I received several years ago. As you can see, there's plenty of drawers in it, which is great for storing stuff. If you like for me to do a video on, you know, all the things that I've actually got in there, and you know, how much I can actually get in it without it being too messy, let me know in the comments below, and I'll do a video on it. Unfortunately, at the moment I'm also using it as my office desk because the office is still being renovated, which has been put on hold for a little bit due to the weather. So I'll be glad once that's done so I can have my bench space back. Anyhow, I'll catch you guys next week. Bye!